So you're probably wondering what LEDs are made of anyway. Well, what makes them so great, like most things, LEDs come from the earth as ore. Much the same kind of ore as the ore used to make solar collectors. The ore is mined and refined, shipped and stripped of most of its impurities, and then loaded into a special MODV furnace, where it is heated to thousands of degrees for a long period of time using lots of expensive fossil fuel inputs to create crystals called ingots. This silver gray is used for solar panels, and the cool blue for LEDs. The LED ingot is actually real fake sapphire. Like cubic zirconia diamonds, it is pretty expensive stuff. Okay, then the ingots are cut up into wafers for both solar and LED substrates. Okay, and here's where things get different. The solar ingots get trimmed into squares. Solar wafers then get doped, cut, and wired, stacked and packed, placed end to end, side to side to make a solar panel. And it may take 100 wafers to make one solar panel. One of these wafers of pure synthetic sapphire is processed in many ways to make thousands of LEDs. Like this one you've all seen. These sawdust-sized pieces that are packed together to make more light in a modern bulb, like this one, that's 100 watts of power. It's called a COB, equivalent to 10 light bulbs as compared to this 100 watt solar panel that will barely light a light bulb. And of course, solar panels need to be professionally roof mounted, but LED bulbs, all they need is just to be screwed in. I think you can see that dollar for dollar, pound for pound, kilowatt for kilowatt, LEDs are hundreds of times the better investment in time and energy. They're worth their weight in gold. It's as simple as that. And you can do it one at a time. You can afford to experiment. The longer they last, the more you save. And my best advice is to buy LEDs that have rebates. Like these Crees. Like $20 from the state for replacing can fixtures. They have different models, but this one was the leader. Replace all the fixtures that you use the most, like those that are on for 10, 12, 15 hours or more a day with LEDs. Almost no matter what you pay for them, they will pay for themselves eventually. Replace all CFLs and fluorescent tubes to last. I hope you learned something here. That's all for this segment. Now here's a product that fits perfectly into energy saving, cost reduction strategies with LEDs with a great side benefit. They're bugless. And you can buy this bugless security light at our store at Amazon.com, where you will also find other high efficiency bulbs like these ViraBrite LEDs. As we showed you examples at the start of this movie, you can now see how ViraBrite maximizes light generation with hundreds of the tiniest chips directed perfectly and enhanced with state-of-the-art remote phosphors and color mixing technologies. By choosing ViraBrites, you will be sure your investment is best assured by the fact that you are getting the best bulb on the market. They are proven superior to all others because of their configuration and use of way more LED elements. This bulb with its metal shade has been on all day at the show, and it's barely warm. I'd be burning my hand if this were a 40 or 60 watt incandescent, which the LED ViraBrites replace. You can even touch the bulb, they stay so cool. And an added benefit to the design is most low-watt ViraBrite bulbs are almost glare-free, so you can look right at them without the discomfort you'd get with a CFL or incandescent. You can almost see it here in the video. ViraBrites are therefore perfect for children's fixtures like these. Can you tell which one has the ViraBrite LED bulb? Is it this one? Is it this one? No, is it that one? No, it's this one. It's this one. And as it should be, it's totally cool to the touch. As compared with the 40-watt incandescent next to it, which you can hardly touch, it's so hot. Next to that is a mercury-filled CFL, which is actually hard to look at. Its glare is so intense, it's damaging because it emits UV radiation. We're going to talk more about this later in another YouTube movie, but the most important thing is you can buy all the best in LED bulbs and some special CFLs from us, Get Green TV, at our store at Amazon.com. You can also buy these LED adapters which work for GU24 sockets. Please check out all that we offer at our store called Get Green TV at Amazon.com, and be sure to share and subscribe to all our YouTube movies.